All right. First of all, we've got an email. It's from Mark Nevin, who's maybe Navin is probably the pronunciation. He's a PA. Wants to know if he should buy his own malpractice insurance. He's employed by a hospital, but concerned about challenges to his license as a result of a malpracticing. That's where you go before the medical board, and you need some good lawyers to help you at the medical board, because a lot of these medical boards are very aggressive in terms of limiting practice. And I asked him, well, Mark, what do these policies cost? And he said they're between $1,200 and $6,500 a year. Big, huge difference.
You know what that means, Rick? That means they're totally different in what they cover. And before he thinks about this, we'll have a few things to say. Go ahead, continue on.
Well, my conclusion was, given the spread of the costs, that you wonder exactly what are they covering the same things. I think great minds think alike here, obviously.
Yes, I'm sure.
So I said, if you want to spend $100 a month to sleep better, fine. But I wouldn't do anything more than that. And the likelihood of getting into such a mess that your license is in jeopardy seems very, very small, given the low rate of claims and payouts against PAs who are being supervised in an emergency department. Now, this is not the same thing as a PA in some other environment where I think the risk is higher. But here, generally, you've got a doctor in the building who can help you out if you get into a problem. So I think that fundamentally it is unnecessary.
Yeah, Rick, I couldn't agree more. Let's go through the reasons why you don't want to purchase it. Number one, if you get involved in other than malpractice, most of them don't cover. Going to defend yourself at the licensure board is not covered under most policies. You'd have to look at this very carefully. Number two, I've never seen in my 42 years of doing this sort of thing, I have never seen one PA who was the employee of the hospital who ever lost a dime. More than that, you have several other people who are going to be involved in any lawsuit, the physician, consultants, something else. It is unlikely that you are going to carry principal responsibility. The other thing is, it's very unlikely if you have a physician involved in some way, shape, or form, that the final determination is going to come down to you. So Rick says, pay $100 a month and sleep better. I say, send me the $100, and I'll be happy to call you if you need it and just reassure you. But there ain't no way in hell. And remember, I've written malpractice policies. We never cover your problems with the state. That's your problem. That's not our problem. So there you go. By the way, I loved at the bottom of your email the saying that says politicians and diapers need to be changed often for the same reason. We loved it. We loved it, Guy. Thanks a lot.